Okay, so if you want to get your hair straight without using any heat, this is how you do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and today I'm gonna be doing something that is so crazy. Gonna do a wash and go. The crazy part is what I'm gonna use, which means this may or may not be a fail. Either way, I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. I'm gonna use this As I Am double buttercream moisturizer. I'm gonna use this as my leave-in conditioner because I already washed and deep conditioned and detangled everything you can do for your hair on wash day. I did that already. What I'm gonna do now is the styling process. So we're gonna use the As I Am moisturizing cream, but for like the actual styling product, I'm gonna use the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. I don't even know why I thought to do this, honestly, because I did some looking around on YouTube and I have not seen anyone else do this. No, I'm lying. I saw one girl do it, but it did not come out good for her. But I think that's because her hair was not wet enough. And looking at her video, we don't have like the same like hair texture, hair type, curl pattern, all of that. So that might have like influenced like the way her wash and go came out. But like, this is my hair with no product on it, so my hair is gonna be curled no matter what gel I use, right? That's my thought process. And plus, I was standing in the closet looking at all my different gels, and I need to go buy some more gel. So leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite gel. If I haven't tried it, I'll try it. If I have tried it and I liked it, then I'll buy it again, because I need some more gel in my life. Like, the only gel that I have besides this isn't even really a gel technically, this is a jam, but the only gel that I have is the La Bella gel, and I feel like I've used that in so many videos already. Like, y'all gotta be tired of seeing it. Like, that's how I think. Like, I like to use the same thing over and over because I know my hair likes it, but I'm sure y'all don't want to see the same thing over and over and be like, all right,
another video from Ayana Mertina. Oh my gosh, she's using the same gel again. Oh my god.
Like, I'm trying to give y'all a little bit of variety while not totally ruining my hair. So yeah, let me know what gel I should use. There's quite a few lines that I have not tried, so just whatever you love, leave it down below and I'll go to the store and I'll get it, because I like trying new things. But yeah, standing at the closet looking at all my different styling products and whatnot, and I was like, wow, I haven't used this in a while because I haven't done any braids on myself since March. So let me go ahead and use this. And then I was like, oh, I could do a braid out. But then I was like, no, we're gonna do a wash and go with this. We're gonna just play with fire a little bit. But I'm adding in this moisturizer to like help my hair not dry out from not really having the right product on it. And like any naturalista, if this turned out to be a fail, I will be wearing a ponytail this week. And that's just that. So my hair feels nicely moisturized now. So I guess it's time to start applying the jam. And I kind of want to go through this kind of fast. So I'm gonna see if I can just do. Don't I have another clip? Or am I tripping? Where's my other clip? Okay. I don't know where my other clip went, so I'm just gonna pin that over there like that. So, going in with the jam now. I hope this does not come out bad. I have this much, you can't even see it. Putting that much on. I think if I rub it and make it kind of like, I don't know, warm, maybe it'll do right. Let's see. This is definitely gonna be like a different texture kind of wash and go. Like it's not gonna be like anything I've ever experienced before, because this gel is not really like clumping anything. Like it looks like I've put nothing on my hair thus far. This really is not, it's not like, and it really just feels sticky. I don't know, man. This might not have been a great idea like I thought it was. It might just be trash, you know? I'm actually kind of worried. Okay, hold on. Before I get fully worried, let me compare the sides. Okay, all right, so it is doing something. It's just not doing what I expected it to do. So I guess this might be okay. I don't know. I'm gonna finish it anyway. Just cause. And if I end up having to wash my hair in the middle of the week to make it look better, I'll let y'all know. If it looks gross once it's dry, I'll let y'all know. As it stands right now, it's not looking too bad, but things change sometimes between the actual like application process, like the initial application, and then like when your hair is dry, it'll look totally different. Products be fooling you sometimes. All right, now we're going in again with the jam. And definitely, like, on the instructions for the jam, it does not say anything about using it for like a wash and go or anything of the sort. I just be thinking crazy stuff, so I be trying crazy stuff. Okay, this side is looking a lot better. I think the difference is this side is like wetter, so it's kind of like spreading through better. I don't know. Like, look at him. Why this side? First of all, can we get into this length? Okay, hold on. Ow. Anyway, like, let me go get my spray bottle because this is not, it's not doing right. Okay, so I'm back. Got my spray bottle. I'm gonna spray this side and then hit it again and see if I can't get it to look like this. Cause this looks really good. Like, this looks like, okay, we could make it through the week. This side looks like we need a puff immediately. Now there's like these two that like are acting as if they don't want to curl up, but overall we're looking a lot better now. I can rock with this. I think I can rock with this, and I'm gonna continue on, and y'all can just vibe to whatever music is about to be playing. I feel like Cousin It right now. And I'm gonna take a little bit more water. And just work the water in. So this is the final look while it's wet. As you can see, this side is like a little bit more clumped on the end and like kind of straight-ish. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this side. This side might need to be jazzed up, I don't know. And then this side looks a lot better. It looks like more like normal, what you would expect from a wash and go. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, let this air dry for a little bit. I'm gonna diffuse it for a little bit as well, and then I'll come back and show you guys like the final dry product. But while we're here, I'm gonna like spin around so you can see like the middle and the back. Hey guys, so my hair is finally dry. I took it down like 10 minutes ago. It's giving me like I might have just figured out an easy way to get a wet look, because like I don't know, it's just like there's minimal shrinkage, like there's that much shrinkage. Like, using this for wash and go was like very risky. I wouldn't recommend it if your hair is not in a healthy state and doesn't already curl easily. So like my 4C sisters, I don't think this will be a good bet for you guys. I mean, the 4C people that I follow don't typically do wash and goes anyway, so I imagine it's the same for majority, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't want to assume and be wrong. So if you want to try it, more than welcome to. It's not like it's my product or anything. Like, if you do try it though, let me know. And that goes for anyone of any hair texture, hair type. Let me know how it does for your curls. I will tell you, I don't know if it's because I added so much or just the product itself, but my hair feels greasy. Like my hands are so shiny right now, but my hands are also moisturized. I took a shower. I don't know. My hair feels greasy. It doesn't feel like, it's kind of sticky towards the end, but I think that is probably because like as my hair was drying, the product was like kind of running down with the water, because you know how your hair drip dries if you let it air dry. It was doing that, and I feel like that kind of concentrated some of the product on the ends, because I don't like to go in and like scrunch the ends when I'm drying my hair, but that's just me. What else? I let this air dry, you know, to like 95%. The only part of my hair that was still wet was right here, like right at the nape of my neck, and I think that's just because like all my hair was like kind of sitting there, so it made sense. Like I didn't have it like this. But yeah, this could easily be like picked and fluffed out into like, I don't know, like a bigger wash and go if you're into that kind of thing. But I also know how my hair is. It's gonna end up getting bigger throughout the week. That happens no matter what product, whether I use a gel, a cream, a jam. It just ends up getting bigger throughout the week. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I'm not gonna go through and fluff it out because I just let it do its own thing. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, or if you think this will work for your hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.